Hi, I'm Lawrence Mittler with Best Kept Secrets of Fine Audio. Today we'll be reviewing the TEAC AG-790. A lot of receivers change their lineup on a yearly basis. The TEAC AG-790 is so well made it doesn't have to be changed. The TEAC AG-790 has 100 watts RMS per channel and uses discrete output configuration. We are going to have a look on the inside of the TEAC AG-790. It uses 4 output transistors, 2 per channel, 1 2 for the left, 1 2 for the right. They use paste to help dissipate the tremendous heat that the output transistors put out on a metal heatsink. The discrete output means there's a special board of resistors, diodes, and other electronics used to drive each output stage. Another look at the TEAC AG-790 is the large heatsink that goes from the left to the right at the very back of the unit, as you can see all the way here. This is a massive heatsink to help dissipate the tremendous heat from the output transistors. After all, it's 100 RMS per channel. Of course, every strong receiver needs a large, oversized transformer, and the AG-790 is no different. As you can see, large transformer feeding the guts of the unit. Let's not forget about the TEAC AG-790's capacitors. They're oversized, and like a large water tank, when you need the juice going into your speakers, it helps dissipate the juice or the energy out of the capacitor into the unit so it goes out to your speakers. Remember these? If you were born before 1950 or even after 1950, you know what this is. This is a vinyl record. The phono input of the TEAC AG-790 allows you to play your turntable and get great sound. After all, it's 75 dB signal-to-noise ratio, giving you great performance off your vinyl record. The phono input uses a moving magnet input. This allows you to plug directly your moving magnet cartridge from your turntable into the back of the TEAC AG-790. This eliminates a step-up transformer. Some of these are $200 plus. This gives you better sound because there's no unnecessary wires hooked up to the back of your receiver. The TEAC AG-790 uses a quartz phased locked loop tuner. The phase lock loop uses an oscillator that generates a signal. This signal is mirrored to the input signal. If the phase between the two signals varies, the oscillator corrects it, thereby locking on to the input signal. The TEAC AG-790 weighs almost 17 pounds, or 7.4 kilograms. The reason for that is it's got some very heavy heat sinks at the back to help dissipate the heat, and has a large transformer to help bring the current in from the wall and bring it to the various components within the receiver. At the back of the TEAC AG-790, you get 2 sets of binding posts that can take your wire or banana jack in the back of it, giving you really good contact with the wire. Are you going digital? If you are, you're going to want to know about the options available to you with the AG-790. If you have music on your computer files and you want to hook it up to the AG-790, that can be easily done when you add a UDH01 TEAC DAC, a DAC. A DAC is a digital to analog converter, converting your music files, which are zeros and ones digitally, to actual music that you can hear with your ears. This particular DAC, the UDH01, uses a 32-bit 192 kilocycle. It is dual, meaning you have a separate left and right chip to give you much better stereo separation, feeding into your AG-790. The UDH01 inputs include USB input, coaxial input, and optical input. The UDH01 uses professional outputs like XLR outputs, positive, negative ground. But in the case of the AG-790, all we have to do is take the unbalanced line output and plug it right into our video input. And voila, you have some great performance with the AG-790. If you own an Apple product you can use the DS-H01 docking station. It allows you to get all the performance out of your Apple product into the AG-790. In addition, the DS-H01 also charges your iPhone and iPad. It's easy to hook up. Just plug in your Apple device and take the output of the machine here and plug it either into your CD input or your aux input here. I have been in the industry for over 40 years, and I have never seen any other receiver that I'm aware of that offers you all these features for a remarkable value. Complete with the AG-790 is a UR remote control that controls your CD player from TEAC as well as all the features on your TEAC receiver.